Good morning, my dear students. In yesterday's class, we have studied about in our Karnataka, the lesson called Our Karnataka. We have studied about many of the points called here Dasa Sahitya and Philosopher's Poet, and afterwards Education and Health and Freedom Fighters, and afterwards in that we have studied about here the uniqueness of the districts of this division. In that districts of the division here we have studied about Kalaburgi districts, and also the remaining districts of this Kalaburgi division called here Yadgir district, okay, and then Bidar district, Raichur district, then afterwards Koppal district and Ballari district, so this all comes under the, so it means nothing but there are 6 districts in this division called here Kalaburgi division here. So in that in the previous class we have studied about Kalaburgi district here. The remaining districts are here Yadgir district here and Bidar district, Raichur district, Koppal district and Ballari districts. So in this class we are going to study about these districts in detail here. Okay, let's see about Yadgir district here. So we know that it is a small district here with 3 taluks. We are going to see 3 taluks in Yadgiri districts called here Yadgir, Shahapur and Surpur. Okay, see we are going to see these district in Yadgir district. So because of this reason we have called it is a small district here. And also in this district it was established in the year 2010. See, when we divided the Kalaburgi division here, so we made separate Yadgir district here. So when means nothing but in the year 2010. And also this area was ruled by here many of the kings or many of the kingdoms here. So called here Shatavahanas and Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas and Adil Shahi and afterwards Nizams. So they have all ruled in this area here. Okay, and also we are going to find the rare mineral called here uranium. So the rare mineral called here uranium is also available in this district here. Okay, and then we are also going to find the Core Green Sugar and also Fuels Private Limited is the biggest factory of this district here. Okay, which one means nothing but the Core Green Sugar and also Fuels Private Limited is the biggest factory in this district. And also we are going to see the mountain range in Shahapur Taluk here. See, this mountain range appears so like a sleeping Buddha here. So which appears like sleeping Buddha means nothing but the mountain range in Shahapur Taluk here. Okay, so it appears like what means nothing but it appears like the sleeping Buddha. So this is the highlights of here Yadgir district. So next we go to here Bidar district. Okay, we know that it comes in the northernmost part of most tip of Karnataka, and also it is called the border district also here. Which one? The Bidar is the northernmost tip of Karnataka, and also it is the border district here. And this district was also ruled by many kingdoms here called here Mauryas, Rashtrakutas and also Chalukyas. So these are the rulers, and after these are the kingdoms here ruled this area here. So and also not only these kingdoms here, and also Kalachuris, Kakatiyas and Khilji and Bahmani and also Barish Shahi kings also ruled in this district here, okay, or in this area. And also we are going to see here the rain-fed agriculture. The rain-fed agriculture also practiced here. So okay, which we are going to, which they are practicing in that district means nothing but here the rain-fed agriculture is also practiced there. And major rivers, which of the major rivers comes in this Bidar district means nothing but here, that is Manjra and Karanja and Mallamari, and afterwards Chulkani Nala. Okay, these are the major rivers we are going to see in the Bidar district here. So which of the rivers means nothing but here called Manjra, okay, and afterwards Karanja, and later here see Mullamari, and here Chulakinal. See Chulakinala. So these are the major rivers we are going to see in this Bidar districts. And also here Guru Nanak Jira and afterwards Narasimha Jira are also we are going to see in this place here. So which are means nothing but Guru Nanak Jira and afterwards Narasimha Jharni are also we are going to find in this place. And also it has the forest cover of here 435 square kilometers. It has 435 square kilometers of forest area here. It covers how much of the area covered by the forest means nothing but here 435 square kilometers here. Okay, and also we are going to see here the huge arches, masjids and also flower gardens are the biggest attraction of this city here. Okay, and also the city is attracted by what means nothing but the city is attracted by the huge arches here and also masjids and also here flower gardens also here. Okay, so that all we are going to see in this Bidar district here. Okay, next we are going to study about the Raichur district here. Okay, and it is also called here granary of the paddy. So which is called the granary of the paddy means nothing but the Raichur is called the granary of paddy here. Okay, and also there are more than 100 rice mills we are going to see here. So because of that reasons they have called here it is a granary of what here paddy here. Okay, and we are going to see the food products and exported to European countries also from this place here. Okay, what products means nothing but especially the fruit products are going to export to where means nothing but export to the European countries from this place. And also it is known for poultry farming also here. So we are not only going to see the many rice mills here and also we are going to see the poultry farming in this place. Okay, and also we are going to see the thermal power plant of Raichur. Okay, and it produces nearly 48% of the electricity here consumed by the Karnataka here. See what we are going to see is nothing but the thermal power plant, the huge thermal power plant we are going to see in this place here, and it produces nearly 48% of the electricity which was consumed by the Karnataka here. Okay, and also the railway line so that passes through the Raichur connects to where means nothing but every part of the country also here. Okay, the railway lines also which passes through Raichur here that connects many of the many part of the country also here. Okay, and also an inscription of Ashoka. What here? An inscription of Ashoka. Okay, it has been also here found at Maski of Raichur here. In the place called here Maski, what we have found means nothing but the inscriptions of Ashoka. Okay, it has been found in the place called here Maski here. Okay, and also so there are following here many of the occupations here. So which is the major occupation of this place means nothing but here that is agriculture here. See, agriculture is the major occupation of this Raichur district here. Okay, and also Devadurga and Manvi taluks are the most backward taluks of this district here. Okay, so it has many forward taluks also and also backward taluks also here. So when we see about that backward taluks here, so which are the examples for that backward taluks of this Raichur means nothing but that is Devadurga and afterwards Manvi taluk. So these are the highlights of here Raichur district here. Okay, so next we are going to study about Koppal district here. Okay, and we know that it is also called what means nothing but Kashi of Jains here. So which is called here Kashi of Jains means nothing but that is Koppal here. See, Koppal is also called here Kashi of Jains. So it is called here Kashi of Jain. Which is called Kashi of Jain means nothing but Koppal district is called here Kashi of Jain here. Okay, and here also we found the inscriptions of Ashoka. Okay, where means nothing but in the Gavi Mutt and also Palkigunda. The places called here Gavi Mutt and also in the Palkigunda. So we have found what means nothing but the inscriptions of the Ashoka. Okay, and also Bhimarao from Mundaragi of Koppala had participated in the freedom struggle also here. Okay, so many of the personalities also participated in the freedom struggle. So example for that means nothing but Bhimarao from Mundaragi of Koppal. So he also participated in the where means nothing but here in the freedom struggle here. Okay, and which are the crops we are going to see in this Koppal district means nothing but here we are going to see paddy, okay, maize, cotton and sorghum and afterwards wheat. These are all the crops cultivated in this place here. Okay, and then next one we are going to see the fruits also. We are going to see the many kinds of fruits also grown here. For example here mango, sapota, pomegranate, banana and afterwards grapes. So that kinds of fruits we are going to see in this place also here. Okay, and also it has least forest cover area also here. So we are not going to see maximum forest area in this place here. So we are going to see very least forest cover area in this district here. Okay, and then also here we are going to see Bruhat Mahadeva temple and it was built by Kalyana Chalukyas is in Itagi here. Okay, and also it is called as the emperor of temples also. So which is called the temple emperor of the temples means nothing but that is Bruhat Mahadeva temple. So that also we are going to see in this district here. Okay, and also the famous toys, Kinnal toys we are going to call here. So that also comes under this district, that is Kinnal. It produces what means nothing but the world renowned what means Kinnal wooden toys here. So Kinnal wooden toys, that also we are going to find in this district here. Okay, and Anegundi, we know that it was the first capital city of the Vijayanagara rulers here. So that is also comes under this Koppal district, which was Anegundi also. So after that later they shifted to the what means Hampi. It became the what means nothing but the capital city of the Vijayanagara empire, but which was the first capital city of the Vijayanagara kingdom or rulers means nothing but here that was Anegundi. That also comes under this district here. Okay, and many we are going to see different kinds of industries also in this. So like here, so many iron and steel industries also have been established in this region recently here. So they have established iron and steel industries also in these places here. Okay, and also the Kannada of Koppal, okay, is also called here Tirugannada here. Okay, what is called here? It is called here Tirugannada here. Which one? The Kannada of Koppal. It is called here what? Tirugannada. It was also called here what here? Tirugannada here. Which is called Tirugannada means nothing but the Kannada of Koppal. It was called here Tirugannada here. So this is the highlights of here Koppal district here. Okay, so next we are going to see one more district comes under the Kalaburgi division. It is Ballari district here. Okay, and we are going to see there are many places in this district. So that is part of mythological stories of Ramayana and afterwards Mahabharata here. So many of the places of this districts here comes under the mythological stories of Ramayana and afterwards Mahabharata. So that places we are going to see in where means nothing but in Ballari district here. Okay, so for example, Hampi is also in the Ballari district here. So we know that Hampi is a historical place here. It is famous for its historical monuments and all those things here. So that also comes under the Ballari district here. Okay, and also we know that Durgamma temple. Okay, where it is means nothing but it is in Ballari district only here. Okay, it is said that the name Ballari came from this goddess also here. Okay, so it is believed that here the name of Ballari, it also came, how means nothing but from this goddess here. Okay, and also it was integrated into Mysore state in the year 1953. You know that here in the year 1953 it was integrated with what means nothing but with the Mysore state here. So later it was added to what means nothing but later it was added to Kalaburgi division in the year 1956 here. So before in the 1953 it was added to what means nothing but Mysore state here. So later in the year 1956 it was added to Kalaburgi division here. Okay, and also we are going to see Ugra Narasimha and Hazara Rama temple and Kamal Mahal and Virupaksha temples, okay, or comes under in this Ballari districts, because these are all temples comes in here Hampi here. So as I already told here, Hampi also comes under the district called here Ballari here. Okay, and also we are going to see Kumaraswamy temple of Sandur here and Mallikarjuna temple of Kuruvatti and Kalleshwara temple of Bagli are also famous places in this district here. Okay, and a thermal power plant is also established near Ballari city here. So one more thing here, that is what means nothing but the thermal power plant also established near the Ballari city here. Okay, and also National Mineral Development Corporation, that is NMDC. What here? NMDC. It means nothing but National Minerals Development Corporation. Okay, see, it is also present in Donimalai. Okay, is a major public sector here. So where it is means nothing but it is in Donimalai here. It is a major public sector which means nothing but NMDC here. Okay, and also we are going to see iron and steel industries of Tornagal. Okay, are the symbol of modernization also here. So we are going to see iron and steel industry in Torgal. That is the symbol of what means nothing but the symbol of modernization here. Okay, and also it has Ballari district has here two universities called here Kannada University of Hampi. One more is Vijayanagara Krishnadevaraya University in Ballari here. See, the two universities we are going to see in Ballari district called Kannada University of Hampi and afterwards Vijayanagara Krishnadevaraya University here. Okay, so the two districts we are going to see in the Ballari districts. So in this class we have studied about what means nothing but Yadgiri district, Bidar district and Raichuru district and Koppala district and afterwards Ballari districts. So by this what we studied until here means nothing but Kalaburgi division. So as I told here, the Kalaburgi division, it consisted what means nothing but 6 districts here. So one is called here Kalaburgi districts, another one is Yadgiri district, another one is Bidar, Raichur and Koppal and afterwards Ballari districts. So until here we have studied all the districts of this Kalaburgi division and also many other points called here history of the Kalaburgi district and afterwards forest and wildlife, natural resources, okay, and freedom fighters and education and health, okay, Dasa Sahitya, Vachana movement, that all we have studied in the Kalaburgi division. And in the next class we are going to study about one more division called here, that is Belagavi division. So that we are going to learn in the next class. Hope you all understood this Kalaburgi division. Okay.